Descendants of Tuhoe from the Waikaremoana area gathered to celebrate the third reading of the Te Urewera Bill and the Tuhoe Claims Settlement Bill. The small event was arranged by the rangatahi, youth, of the area to keep the home fires warm while their elders represented them in Wellington at the Beehive. They stayed overnight at the Waikaremoana Holiday Park to wake up next to the lake first thing. Spokesman for Tuhoe ki Waikaremoana Chaz Doherty said the third reading was a very big deal for the iwi.
There's a heaviness been lifted. Pain, anguish, suffering from wars, from invasions, police raids, all of those things. There's a heaviness been lifted today.
Tuhoe ki Waikaremoana rangatahi Rurehe Doherty said it was a significant step for his generation and the generations to follow.
The realisation that all responsibility is on us to uphold the example of our old people.
A new Tuhoe visitor centre will be established by Tuhoe near the Waikaremoana Holiday Park, similar to the Te Uru Taumatua building at Taniatua.